Enhancing your travel experience with Chat GPT-4, tips and tricks. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how Chat GPT-4 can enhance your travel experience. As an AI language model, Chat GPT-4 has a lot to offer when it comes to travel. We'll cover tips and tricks on how to use Chat GPT-4 to make the most out of your travels. So let's dive in. 1. Personalized recommendations. ChatGPT-4 can provide personalized recommendations based on your preferences. You can tell ChatGPT-4 your destination, travel dates, and preferences, and it will suggest the best places to visit, eat, and stay. But how can you make the most of this feature? First, make sure to be specific with your preferences. Do you prefer a particular cuisine or style of accommodation? Second, don't forget to explore beyond the popular tourist destinations. ChatGPT-4 can help you find hidden gems that are off the beaten path. 2. Real-time translation. ChatGPT-4's real-time translation feature can help you communicate with locals and navigate language barriers. You can speak or type in your language, and ChatGPT-4 will translate it into the local language instantly. But how can you make the most of this feature? First, familiarize yourself with common phrases in the local language. Second, be patient when speaking or typing, as ChatGPT-4 may take a few seconds to process your request. Lastly, consider using this feature to learn a new language. ChatGPT-4 can provide translations and even pronunciation tips for new words and phrases. 3. Easy navigation. ChatGPT-4 can help you navigate your destination with ease. It can provide directions to your desired location, suggest the best mode of transportation, and even give you information about traffic and weather conditions. But how can you make the most of this feature? First, make sure to enable location services on your device, so ChatGPT-4 can accurately provide directions. Second, consider using ChatGPT-4's Near Me feature to discover nearby attractions, restaurants, and shops. Lastly, don't forget to save your favorite locations, so you can easily access them later. 4. Assistance with bookings. ChatGPT-4 can help you make travel arrangements such as booking flights, hotels, and rental cars. You can ask ChatGPT-4 to search for the best deals and even book them on your behalf. But how can you make the most of this feature? First, be specific with your travel dates and budget. Second, compare prices and reviews from different sources before making a booking. Lastly, don't forget to double-check the details of your booking before finalizing it. 5. Insider tips. ChatGPT-4 can provide insider tips on your destination that may not be easily found on travel guides. You can ask ChatGPT-4 for information about local customs, etiquette, and events. But how can you make the most of this feature? First, ask open-ended questions that can lead to unique insights about the destination. Second, consider using ChatGPT-4 to discover local events and festivals that are not widely advertised. Lastly, use ChatGPT-4 to learn about local customs and etiquette to avoid any cultural misunderstandings. The next topic is how to make a travel plan with ChatGPT-4, a step-by-step guide. As an AI language model, ChatGPT-4 can help you plan your trip from start to finish. We'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to use ChatGPT-4 to make the most out of your travels. So let's dive in. Step 1. Determine your destination and travel dates. The first step in making a travel plan is to decide where you want to go and when you want to go there. With ChatGPT-4, you can ask for recommendations based on your preferences, or you can choose a destination yourself. Once you've decided on your destination and travel dates, you can move on to the next step. Step 2. Ask for recommendations. Now that you've determined your destination and travel dates, it's time to ask ChatGPT-4 for recommendations. You can ask for suggestions on places to stay, things to do, and places to eat. ChatGPT-4 will provide you with personalized recommendations based on your preferences. Step 3. Research your options. Once you have a list of recommendations from ChatGPT-4, it's time to research your options. You can read reviews and compare prices to make an informed decision. ChatGPT-4 can help you with this process by providing you with more information on each option. Step 4. Book your accommodation. Now that you've chosen your accommodation, it's time to book it. You can ask ChatGPT-4 to book it for you, or you can do it yourself. ChatGPT-4 can help you with this process by providing you with links and contact information for the accommodation. Step 5. Plan your activities. The next step in making a travel plan is to plan your activities. You can ask ChatGPT-4 for suggestions on things to do in your destination, or you can create your own itinerary. ChatGPT-4 can help you with this process by providing you with information on local attractions and events. Step 6. Book your activities. Now that you've planned your activities, it's time to book them. You can ask ChatGPT-4 to book them for you, or you can do it yourself. ChatGPT-4 can help you with this process by providing you with links and contact information for the activities. Step 7. Book your transportation. The final step in making a travel plan is to book your transportation. You can ask ChatGPT-4 for suggestions on the best way to get around your destination, or you can book your transportation yourself. ChatGPT-4 can help you with this process by providing you with information on local transportation options. So there you have it, folks. ChatGPT-4 can enhance your travel experience in many ways, from personalized recommendations to real-time translation and insider tips. ChatGPT-4 can help you plan your trip from start to finish. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.